Namaste beautiful yogis, welcome to Ali Kamenova Yoga. I'm Ali. It was the pop artist Andy Warhol that said that in the future everybody will get their 15 minutes of fame. Well, I say that we're all gonna get our 15 minutes of yoga.
When your dreams come true, then you got 15 minutes when your dreams come true, and you're living your life without a care. When your dreams come true.
So this is an invitation for you to join me for our next challenge that is gonna be released in June, and it is going 30 days of 15 minutes of yoga, new class, new fresh class every single day. We're gonna get the momentum of working out daily. It is going to be yoga and heat and relaxation classes every single day. It will be a new, fresh class. I'm gonna be working out and doing yoga with you. So we're gonna get the momentum for summer and in general for life. We're gonna build up energy and we're gonna explore famous archetypes, what fame is, what celebrity is. We're gonna dive into the archetypes that are so interesting and so much fun to look into and to meditate on during the classes. So coming off of the previous two programs, the booty program, which was a blast and super strong, and then the total bikini body, this is going to be really fun, real strong, also light in many ways. So it's gonna be accessible to anybody that wants to jump in. So I'm inviting you to join me for this exciting program, and I'll see you on the website alikamenova.com. Otherwise, I will also be seeing you here every Wednesday. So I hope you join me for the fame challenge, because everybody gets their 15 minutes.
When your dreams come true, then you got 15 minutes when your dreams come true, and you're living your life without a care. When your dreams come true.